Hey, what's good? This Talk to and Tron, your favorite producer, your favorite engineer. Welcome to Mix in a Minute, the red formula. We're going to talk about prepping and organizing lesson 1. The goal is to set up your session correctly before touching the mix. So not only I'm going to show you guys how to import stems, but we're going to also talk about how to label your tracks. So as you can see, we got beat, recording, verse, hook, we got the ad-libs, the double, we got the buses, and we got reverb and delay with our mix bus and also our master bus. So I got these things here for you. We're gonna also talk about color coding, which I got different things color coded so it can help me with my flow. So also, and we just have basic routing up here, as you guys can see, where everything is going to route to where all the signal going to go. And the main part is about having all the signal go right here to the mix bus. Then I get a little bit more control by having to go to my master bus. So yes, that's lesson 1, prepping and organizing session. Talk to and Tron, your favorite producer. Let's get it. Blah.
Keep your eyes on a nigga faded wild. Stand I heard you about the coffee, boy, you better not do that. And I seen her last week up in the Marriott. Damn, everybody know that she a Betty Bob. Hey, yeah, she a Betty Bob. Better keep your eyes on a nigga faded wild. You ain't see her ass buzzing out of Marriott. Damn, everybody know that she a Betty Bob. Yeah, she a Betty Bob. Boy, you better not do that. Yeah, she a Betty Bob. Better keep your eyes on a nigga faded wild. Stand I heard you about the coffee, boy, you better not do that. And I seen her last week up in the Marriott. Damn, everybody know that she a Betty Bob. Hey, yeah, she a Betty Bob. Better keep your eyes on a nigga faded wild. You ain't see her ass buzzing out of Marriott. Damn, everybody know that she a Betty Bob. Yeah, she a Betty. Damn, everybody know that she a Betty Bob. Yeah, she a Betty Bob.